Happy Easter everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm sure you recognize this office and this hat. Yeah, I'm at Jason's, the guy from Thai Kickers. And the reason I'm here is because we're working on a few modules for the academy. And the modules are how to take professional photos using a mobile phone, how to take professional videos using a mobile phone, how to edit the photos using a mobile phone or an iPad, and how to edit the videos and what softwares I'm using. I'm going through all the editing process, what I'm doing and why I'm doing. I'm gonna add some footage here and some photos that we've done using the mobile phone, which I think it looks brilliant. What I'm looking for when I take a photo, how I position the cars, and all that stuff. So we had really good fun the last few days. Now we are about to go out and have some lunch at the pub, and then for a walk, and that's it pretty much. It was a really busy weekend. Very happy with the work we've done. And yeah, that's it. Like I said, I'm gonna add some of the footage we've done and some of the photos here so you can see what we've been working on. If you want to see the full videos, the tutorials of how we do it, join the academy. I'll leave a link down below and you can just have a look yourself. And here we are moving the cars around. So we're gonna use this wall to take the photos. So Jason has to move all the cars on the other side, and then we're gonna start with the Mondeo. Just being awkward.
Right, so what do you want to do? Should we get rid of some weeds, or do you want to just?
Yeah, we're just gonna get
put it there and see if we can do it without weeding.
Nah, we'll sort the weed out.
So we're going to start weeding now.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I'll get the tripod then, so we can do a time lapse of weeding.
All right. Okay.
So we're going to see how good we can do it on a mobile phone and make it look like it's been done professionally.
Exactly.
Okay. In that case, I think we should move the car to this spot here.
Yeah.
Because there seems to be less weeds.
Well, we can clear it a little bit.
I mean, I know there's weeds everywhere, but there seems to be less weeds right here.
Just kind of let me call Angela quickly.
Do we keep that on camera as well?
Yeah, well, she told me to give her a call when I get here and I completely forgot. Da, acum am ajuns. M-am pierdut un pic și da, acum ne-am hotărât ce să facem și cum să facem și acum am zis că te sun. Yeah. It's ok, da. A fost ok, că a plictisit drumul. Da, e ok. Da, am mâncat un Subway.
Right, well, apparently car dealers, if you're going to get the perfect pictures, you have to have a lot of patience, because clearly this is a lot of faffing about. Oh good, he's moved it to the exact same spot he just had it.
Right, we've done the first part of the first module where I'm taking the photos of that Mondeo on a mobile phone, and now we're gonna record Jason taking the exactly same photos using his phone, but
not on the Mondeo, it's not the exact same pictures.
yeah, it's not gonna be exactly the same car.
I'm going to do the Focus and the Seat.
Yeah, okay.
We'll see if we can get someone as useless as me.
Yeah.
Probably didn't hear any of them.
Nah, I think you'll be alright. It's not rocket science.
Do you think any of that sound actually got picked up by the camera?
Which sound?
What I was just saying, do you think the camera could hear any of it because of the wind and it's quite far right?
I think so, yeah.
Okay, well, just in case, what I was saying was...
Now, Jason is going to replicate all the photos I've done on his phone, so we can show that the phone doesn't really matter. Can be done on any modern phone. Right, now Jason is going to replicate everything I've done on the Mondeo. He's going to photograph the focus using his own phone. Right, so first things first, you're going into the zoom lens.
So do I need to open the camera?
You need to open the camera first,
Right,
yes.
okay. Right, so I'll open the camera. And use your body.
And use your body. Yeah, action man.
Can we slow that down?
I will try.
Pan around. Pan around.
But did you put it on 60 FPS?
I don't know. Have I just done all that for nothing?
Let me see.
I don't know what it's on. What's that do? Zoom in on the Ford badge. I find the noise effects help.
It does.
Like you're in Star Wars.
Yeah.
And then what we're going to do is we're going to go like this, and then we're going to go... Stop there, and then we're going to go around this front bit. I'm going to start from there. We're going to go... Bump. Like that. Banging.